Yes, you
You did.
Awesome. Let's say...
Did you ever know that you're my hero?
Bijoury and one of you guys fight for it.
James?
And the one who wins is going to play a game of sound effects with me.
Ooh.
And we'll get people to do the sound effect. I'll grab this performance mic here.
I'll do that.
Lily, here. You're making sound effects. And...
Huh?
What? What am I making sound effects for?
Someone completely... Someone not good at improv has to be them.
Exactly.
That's the way it works.
What, doing the sound effects?
That's fine. That's the idea.
Oh.
2 improvers are silent and 2...
Is this?
There's two different ways. There's 2 different ways to play sound effects. Either get people who are really good at it, or get people who, maybe won't be. And honestly, that's funnier.
Hooray!
Guess which
You're
one's
be on
which?
that. Actually, never mind. You'll probably be
Hey,
on
I'm on the floor.
Yeah, your tag fell off.
Good.
Here, Andre, move my chair out of the way, and you guys know.
Ian, you're in there.
Yeah, no, you're in it with me. These 2 are making sound
They need
effects.
the mic.
Great.
So you 2 stand over there.
Even better.
You're gonna be good at this.
I'm not.
So
All right. Where are we?
Let's ask the chat. Where are we?
Chat, where are we? We're doing a game of sound effects.
First person to get to us gets
You'll
us.
be doing the sound effects for Ian.
Yeah, you do sound effects for Ian. You do sound effects for me.
Obviously, you're at James's house.
No, we're in Jamestown.
Oh, there you go. Yeah.
I see what you did there.
Wah, wah.
You know, the Jamestown Massacre
That's
was
my
like
first sound
maybe
effect.
maybe 10 or 12 people.
Yeah,
Like
exactly.
it wasn't okay.
What's the
Wait,
scene?
does this mean we have to do just like ridiculous Boston accents? Can we not do Jamestown?
Can you please do Jamestown?
Okay, James Bay.
James Bay.
All right, we're in James Bay, in Victoria, beautiful Victoria, British Columbia. We're in James Bay.
Here we are in James Bay. What's a dangerous occupation?
It's 1 week
Have you
before
ever-
Desert Bus, and you haven't done any preparations.
Oh, snap.
We haven't done any preparations for Desert Bus. Why are we touring Emily Carr house?
It seemed like a good place to get ideas. I mean, this is exciting.
All right, fine. Here, let's go inside.
Okay.
This needs like a metric ton of oil. Excuse me. Let me just grab this oil can and oil up this door on the famous historic site that for some reason they are letting me operate on.
Yes.
Glug, 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 glug.
I just realized your sound effects made my door noise.
Interesting.
Anything Ian does, you do.
Yeah, let's
Wait, no, he wasn't doing anything.
hold on a second.
Oh, did you make the door noise as well?
Yes.
I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Why are you
I saw
talking to
you doing
yourself?
it.
Yelling at us.
Okay, look.
Just leave James.
You got the
alone.
oil in there. Let's just tighten it up here with. I'll get my screwdriver out.
Oh, fantastic. That sounds great. I'm
Somewhere
sure
in
the
the
people
pocket
who
here.
operate this national historic site will love us fixing this door.
Well,
I
I've got a few things here in my pocket. There's the screwdriver. I gotta get around the Twinkie.
think you have a game of Space Invaders in there.
Yeah. Okay, there it is.
Oh, it's a Sonic.
Exactly.
Oh, of course.
Knock, knock.
There's a tiny person inside.
Well, we have to get her out.
Oh my god. Excuse me. You're in the way.
Tiny Emily Carr, what are you doing here?
Okay. I've removed the tiny ghost of Emily Carr.
Yes.
Please keep fixing the door.
So, well, maybe we should
Go away. Go paint something.
I thought she was a poet. I'm gonna go inside and see if there's anything we can use here, actually.
She was a famous painter, and get it together.
God, well, I'm gonna take this painting then. We can auction this off, right?
Yeah, we can auction that at
Great.
Desert Bus. Why not?
Womp.
You.
Here, catch.
Okay.
Swoop.
Crash.
Great.
Butterfingers went right past me.
Let's try again.
Okay, throw me another priceless Emily Carr painting, please.
Click.
You found a secret safe behind that painting.
Huh?
Did you hear it click?
Yes, I did.
It went click.
I think we need to we need to enter in a few more numbers before we actually get inside.
Ooh. No, that's a budgie. It's okay. Let me try and get this safe.
That could have been worth a few
Okay,
dollars.
here we go.
Okay.
Oh, okay, I gotta go one way. I'm gonna go back the other way. Okay, I got it. It's
Okay,
unlocked.
Great. Now we blow the door off. Okay.
All right, go for it.
Stick the Steve 4 on.
No.
Will you go away?
You were part of the group of 7. Have some self-respect. Yeah, good. Now we're rid of Emily Carr. We'll have this tiny leprechaun made of C4. And now we light it up. Wait. We should probably light a longer fuse.
Please, God, yes.
We've done some really short activities, and this one should build some suspense.
So this is going to take a while to get there, right?
Yeah, well, let's try my lighter first.
Okay.
Okay, do you have anything you can make fire with? This isn't working.
Let me try this box of matches. Let me just shake it up,
Okay.
make sure there's a match inside.
Nope.
Well, there's one. There's one match inside. This is my last match. Here we go.
Well, bus. But I was just about to get my fire-breathing dragon.
You're only supposed to blow the bloody doors off.
When are we gonna get to the fire?
All right, we'll come on there.
I have got to get in one of those.
That was great. Oh, tiny Emily Carr.
That should be our next challenge. Draw tiny Emily Carr. Tiny ghost of Emily